greatest thing about the handcrafted leather belt is that it can last an entire lifetime of use. When I was growing up, I was always curious about how things were made. There is something special about these processes that makes them very satisfying to watch. Craft for me was always about exploring the possibilities of creation. I feel like in every person there is this potential to create something unique, something beautiful. Handcrafting is not just something you do with hands and tools. Cultivating creativity, adding a dose of passion, and expressing one's soul are all core to handcrafting processes, because in the mind there is this garden in which all the seeds of novelty and beauty are planted, giving the hands the means to bring these ideas to life. On the other hand, products made solely by machines lack that intention, without passion or soul to express. Of course there is a space for these products on the market, but I feel like there is something primal, something deep inside ourselves that makes us gravitate toward craftsmanship and art. By continuing almost 100 years of tradition in leathercraft, I realized that one of the most important values in every exchange between people is trust. I feel like building a brand on this value is a very satisfying process. I believe that every business owner should consider how to have an impact on well-being of society that they are part of.